bring me my reviews. Hello? Hey, where are my album reviews? What do you mean there haven't been any? Of course there have been reviews. Unless, did we actually blow a hole in the universe?
This is Bobble Smithsonian with music news, live from the planet Hugo 5, which erupted into riots last night as Nova Jones's new album was not released. Ah!
What, the actual honk? Not released? McLaren! How can no one have seen her?
Well, the ship's the size of a small town, so pretty easily, I'd guess. You know, I lost my keys once, and by Jove,
No. My album. We need to get it out there.
Can't you do it?
No. Oh, but I know a kid who can. Calling kid songwriter.
Speckle was right. He doesn't exist.
He plays football on Sundays.
Okay, what did he say? He said the album was on his computer, so we just need to get it out. This isn't working.
No.
Maybe we should just release the whole computer out there, and then the fans can get the album themselves.
That's not really how anything works.
Finally! Why haven't you released my album? Launch it now! Now!
Oh, hey guys. Al? What?
My clothes aren't samey!
Or maybe they are?
Breakfast. Eggs.
No. Bacon? No. Granola?
Duh, why can't I just decide? What's wrong with her? She's acting all flipply and, full of self-doubt.
Could be all the hate she's getting online.
What? Hey! What? You don't try and hog my limelight. I mean, good luck. Bad handwriting. These are all massive fibs, you know that, right?
I mean, yeah. Do you think?
Right. We're gonna take this ship, find the haters, and make them regret the day they ever learn to type.
But you said that sounded not fun.
It won't be. But I love you, dum-dum. Plus, they ruined my album release. Captain, find those squirble heads. Now!
Yes, Mom.
I can do it, for I have grown strong in the ways of the deep spickle. The planet Yerk.
Yeah.
Yerk.
Yeah.
Home of the space trolls. All of the nasty comments are coming from there.
Wait, that one planet is where all the haters live.
Got it. Go me! Found him. McLaren?
Okay. Good.
Not now, did you?
I don't think we should take on a whole planet full of angry space trolls. Do you, Nova?
We can deal with all the haters at once. Let's go.
Oh, further expert spiggling reveals a new fact. It's not a whole planet of space trolls, it's just one. Loads of accounts, but... Yep, just one troll.
Perfect. One troll means we don't even have to go down there. Beam it to my suite. Come on.
Copy that.
McLaren, I'm sorry I beamed you away. And I don't think I can do the concert or write the song. I'm sorry I've been so useless. I'm sorry you can't rely on me.
Stop. You never have to apologise to me for feeling what you feel.
Even when I felt like using your head as a drum. Or when I felt like being a cat and you rescued me from that tree.
Just because I can't see the greys doesn't mean they're not real to you. I can see how you feel. I can see your grey.
But my song, and all those interviews I missed, the concert.
I cancelled the concert. If you broke your leg, we'd cancel your dance spectacular.
I do dance spectacular.
This is just the same. And we'll do something when you're ready.
What do we do now?
Now I let Sid and Joniki handle the junket. They'll do just fine. And I thought I'd just hang out here with you. Very quietly, maybe share a blanket. Just so you know, I'm here.
Thanks so much. And remember, it's Sid, the personal assistant. PA is spelled S-I-D.
I feel so alone. I know I'm not the only one. I feel like I've lost before I've even begun. I know you feel it too. You can see my point of view. I wish I could close my eyes and wake up brand new. I know it's okay to make mistakes. I'm human. I know when I make it through the day, then I've won. I'm seeing gray. It won't go away, but there's color in the darkest of days. So I know it's gonna be okay. I'm seeing gray. It won't go away, but there's color in the darkest of days. So I know it's gonna be okay. I know I'm not alone. I just gotta take my time, 'cause I know we all can feel this sometimes. I know it's okay to make mistakes. I'm human. I know when I make it through the day.
Now I see it. Oh, Nova.
I'm seeing gray.
What's music for if not to share feelings?
We all feel this way sometimes.
Darkest of days, so I know it's gonna be okay.
I loved your song.
Thank you.
Wanna never sleep.
Yeah.
Do you know what you want to do tomorrow?
Let's see how I feel. Oh, I'd forgotten I wrote this one. McLaren!
Nova, you're suffocating me.
Oh, you're always saying that.
So the Dressomatic overloaded and sent you back in time.
Super retro. Exactly.
Sid said exactly.
So if I'm right, all you need to do is install another massive battery and ask for something futuristic-y.
Aw, that's my McLaren. All clever and working things out like he used to will be.
The only problem is Tyrant. He keeps the batteries in the cockpit. Captain said he tried to go in there once and...
No, you can't come into my cockpit. Nobody goes into my cockpit but me.
But I was hired to be co-pilot, not no pilot.
Here, practice on that. I keep all the best stuff in the cockpit, and I'm the only one allowed in there. We're not having all and sundry come in there and letting Gribblies in, running around all over the place. Open!
So we need to get past the locked cockpit door and borrow a battery.
Why do we need to? I'm having loads of fun here, and I've got friends who actually get me.
Who actually pick on you.
But they don't. Not if we pick on other people.
Do you hear yourself? They're rotten.
No, shush. There's a three's-the-charm rule. We're not allowed to badmouth each other. Only outsiders.
They only made that rule so you don't stand up to them.
Shush.
No shush. They don't even let you write songs.
They don't let climbing holiday Nova write songs. Maybe she's just not good enough yet.
Nova! I've never heard you say you're not good enough.
That's the Mean Girls talking. You wrote brilliant songs before. You should be releasing them. Solo.
You're not the manager of me.
Well, maybe I should be.
Yes!
I'm Gravity Jane.
I'm Photon Faye.
And what is that on our sofa?
Hey, girls. This is my sister, you know, from the office.
Wow. What was that voice?
This is my sister, and she's meek and useless, like me.
Toughen up. Take a joke. It's just bad.
Yeah, we're a right laugh.
You just don't get our sense of humour.
I totally get it. McLaren, I did a lame voice. I must have caught it off you, lame lurgy.
Come on, Sid.
Just checking. Did Sid actually leave with me? Or...
Who's Sid?
Good day.
Look at the stinky mess I'm in without you. We're good at different things, but together we're the real dream team. The team of my dreams. Especially when we're dancing.
You are my light, you hear my call. You make it right, catch me when I fall. And when we fight, we let it go. You make it right, you help me to grow. Don't need nobody else, 'cause you're more than capable. And no one knows our bond is unbreakable. It feels like home, my love's irreplaceable. Yeah, you never let me down. Can we float into the night? Stronger, stronger by your side.
Are you crying?
Oh.
Danced with me in ages, and besides, I don't remember the moves. So,
Dance with me. You're my manager, and managers do what megastars say.
It's actually the other way around.
Nobody else, 'cause you're more than capable, and no one knows our bond is unbreakable. It feels like home, my love's irreplaceable. Yeah, you never let me down. Can we float into the night? 'Cause I'm stronger, stronger by your side. It's just you and I. Together.
Yes, it worked.
step back, my limelight.
Indeed. And now, for the first time ever, it's my youngest sister on the drum, Miss McLaren!
Whoa, check out McLaren, did you? Ooh!
McLaren has a role model!
That was awesome, McLaren.
No, that was too awesome.
No, that was a disaster.
Nova, it was a raging success. Space and ground went into meltdown.
Pick after pick of McLaren and Johnny.
Oh, no, look, there's
loads of you here. See? There you are. It's just you're a bit blurry and a bit cropped out.
So cute. Love the bro sis. Love heart emoji. McLaren. McLaren?
Spaceogram loves a good bro sis story.
It loves the wrong bro sis story. McLaren, fix it. Tell the universe they have their trend wrong.
That drumming, McLaren, it was quite intense.
Intense. Because before I did drumming while in a tent. And it was also
Intense.
What's in a tent?
You had to be there.
The
Middle child is often left out or overlooked.